Yo, Luis here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to use cruise control on the Mavic 3 series. If this is the first video you're watching, I would recommend you to go and check out my overview video first. On that video, I give you a high-level view of the drone specs. Go on, go. I'll be here when you come back. Now, let's get on with today's video. Cruise control. This has got to be one of the coolest features that DJI has introduced in their drones. In short, this setting allows you to fly the drone without having to constantly press the joysticks. The way it works is, you will begin your flight as usual, and then whenever you're ready to activate cruise control, you can then input speed, rotation, elevation commands using the joysticks, and without letting go, you press C2. Then the drone will continue at the same speed, rotation and elevation that you have inputted. By the way, to stop cruise control, all you need to do is press C2 again. This will allow you to fully focus on the camera movement, giving you the ability to create great compositions. Also, because the motion of the drone is now automatic, you can potentially create very complicated drone and camera movements, making them repeatable and super smooth. So the first thing we need to do is map the cruise control command to the C2 button on the back of the controller. In the upper right corner, there are three dots that will open the drone menu setting. We are going to click on that. Then we're going to swipe to the control tab. Then scroll down to the remote control settings section. Then press the button customization. And in the C2 C1 section, we are going to set C2 to cruise control. And that's it. Also, cruise control allows you to say you wanted to fly to a far location. Instead of constantly be pressing the forward joystick, you would set up cruise control and the drone will carry on in the direction you have set it, say for 15 minutes. Once you arrive to the location, you can take over control and create your filmmaking masterpiece. Boom! So in this example, I am rotating the aircraft and also going higher in elevation. I press C2 to activate cruise control. So the aircraft is flying on its own now. And all I'm going to do is tilt my camera up. And that's the shot. Remember, I'm only tilting the camera. Both the elevation change and the rotation are done automatic. In this example, same, you can see the joystick is being pressed, I release, and then all I'm gonna do is tilt my camera down and the drone keeps on moving. And this is the shot. And then in this last example, the same, I'm only rotating the aircraft and going higher. Activate cruise control. This is the final shot. Super simple. And I'm literally doing nothing. That's it for today. I hope you guys learned something new today. And if this tutorial was easy to follow, I would love to see what you guys have created using cruise control. So please do share in the comment section below and I will check your videos out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.